Hi there. Today I'm going to take you through how to do printhead cleaning and power cleaning on an Epson WorkForce WF-2910. And to start these procedures you need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this, with copy displayed on the screen. If you're not already here, simply press the home button found on the bottom left hand side to be taken here. So first of all we need to get ourselves to maintenance, which we do by pressing the right hand arrow until we get to maintenance. Once you see this symbol, press OK to go in. And then we have a bunch of options, the second of which is head cleaning, and the third is power cleaning. Now, as you may have gathered, power cleaning is just a more effective version of the standard head cleaning, but it pushes a lot more ink through the printer's printhead to dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be causing you print quality issues. So if you're dealing with a minor print quality issue, I would recommend sticking with the standard head cleaning to conserve that ink in your cartridges. So I'm going to press OK to go in, and then it's just OK to start. Then we press the start button and your printer will start the procedure. Now you may have noticed there that the printer was asking me to make sure there's some paper installed. This is because when the procedure is all been and done, a nozzle check test page will be printed so you can check the results of your clean. So if we give the printer just a minute, and with the clean completed, you'll be given this page showing the results of the clean, with a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta and yellow that your printer uses, and you can diagnose how effective the clean was, looking for missing colours or just missing lines on these diagonals to indicate any slight issues with particular colours. But back at the screen, they're asking if there's any missing segments, so just choose yes or no, and from there you're given the option to carry on doing additional cleans. You can carry on doing test pages and cleans until you're perfectly happy with the quality of the print that you're getting. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.